Have you ever wondered how some pilots seem to be able to quickly calculate headwinds and crosswinds during critical moments, like takeoff and landing? The clock code is the secret tool they use. Imagine you're taking off from runway 09 in an aircraft that has a 15-knot crosswind limit. If the surface wind is 045 degrees at 20 knots, how do you know if the crosswind is within safe limits? First, find the angle between the wind and your heading. Here, the wind is 45 degrees left of your nose. This is where the clock code comes in. 45 degrees is 3/4 of an hour, so the clock code tells you that the crosswind is 3/4 of the wind strength. With a wind strength of 20 knots, the crosswind component is 15 knots, matching this aircraft's maximum demonstrated crosswind component. The clock code can also be used to calculate drift. We'll use the same example where you're flying on a heading of 090 degrees. Your true airspeed is 90 knots and the wind is 045 degrees at 20 knots. Again, the wind being 45 degrees off your heading means the drift will be 3/4 of the max drift. So if the max drift you calculated on the ground was 13 degrees, then you can expect to experience approximately 10 degrees drift on this heading. Headwind and tailwind calculations are just as easy. Let's say you're flying a heading of 320 degrees and the forecast wind was 170 degrees at 20 knots. Here the angle is 60 degrees, meaning the full 20-knot wind speed is a tailwind, increasing your ground speed to 110 knots. This video was a quick introduction to the clock code, which is a powerful, quick method for pilots to calculate crosswinds, headwinds, tailwinds, and drift angles. For more information about the clock code, check out the link in the description. And for access to comprehensive European and UK pilot training courses, head to clearflight.co.uk.